Hello! Welcome to another First Contact Polymer demonstration video. Today, we will be cleaning a Moticam 2500 camera CMOS sensor along with an Olympus DBX C-Mount. A helpful hint is to hold a piece of scrap paper or a business card underneath your pipette to catch any accidental drips. I'm very carefully placing a small drop of polymer directly onto the sensor. Using the applicator brush, I'm gently spreading the polymer around but not touching the edge because I don't want the polymer to seep into the retaining ring. Make sure the polymer is completely dry by waiting 30 minutes. Then, take a small piece of mesh and bend it 90 degrees and place it directly onto the dried polymer. Use a little more First Contact on top to sandwich the mesh between the two layers. After another 30 minutes, it's safe to peel off. The CMOS sensor will be molecularly clean with absolutely no residue. Next, we will be cleaning the recessed optic of the Olympus DBX C-Mount. Pick up some First Contact with your pipette and slowly lower it into the barrel. I don't have a fine-tipped brush, so I'm going to take an FCB1 brush and cut it so it can fit into the barrel. Then, I will use it to pull the polymer around, again being cautious not to touch the retaining ring. Next, I'm going to take some unwaxed floss. It's easier to apply the floss if you spread the tip out a little bit with your fingers. Before applying it, I'm going to dip it into the polymer. Then, I will place it on top of the dried polymer. And I'll dab the brush in a little more polymer and put it over the floss to embed or sandwich the floss in. After another 30 minutes, simply pull the floss off to remove the polymer. Finally, we are on to the other non-recessed side of the Olympus DBX C-Mount. Apply First Contact polymer, let it dry, and peel it off. While your optic is protected with polymer, it's a good time for you to clean the rest of the optic assembly, such as threads, recesses, or whatever you want to clean. Remember to always wait for the polymer to be dry before you add mesh or floss, because if you don't, it will sink to the bottom and leave residue. First Contact polymer is the safest and most effective way to clean your optics and equipment. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching.